When we think of business leaders, CEOs often steal the spotlight, but behind every successful CEO is a CFO. CFO, Chief Financial Officer, the mastermind ensuring the company stays profitable, financially stable, future ready with every strategy driven towards success. Now, in your early career, you focus on just mastering your very own domain, right? But as you climb up, the game changes. As businesses don't just need experts, they need decision makers who understand strategy, leadership, and business impact. Let's consider an example here. Tesla in bad 2008 was on the brink of bankruptcy. With only $9 million left, investors were backing out, survival seemed impossible. But then entered Deepak Ahuja, Tesla's CFO, Chief Financial Officer, who didn't just manage the books but steered the entire company through a financial crisis, securing a crucial funding and restructuring the entire operations. Today, Tesla is a $1 trillion company. This story alone proves how pivotal a CFO's decisions can be in shaping the company's future. Thus, the demand for skilled CFOs is ever evolving, with salaries ranging from 40 lakhs to 1 crore per year. Now, you might be wondering how to transition from your current managerial position to becoming a CFO, Chief Financial Officer. Don't worry, I've got you covered as I have prepared a detailed curriculum, kind of like a personalized study plan cum course that outlines all the essential skills and areas that you need to master to step confidently into the CFO role. You will find it linked in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. Now, let's take a quick look at what are the important skills that you need to master. To become a CFO, you need a strong foundation in accounting, financial reporting, budgeting, and tax planning, as these skills help you make informed financial decisions and keep the company's finances in check. But being a CFO isn't just about managing numbers. It's about strategic planning, understanding market trends, spotting right opportunities, and making financial strategies that align well with your business goals. Now, risk management is another important skill that you should master. To be able to identify financial risks and find ways to minimize them to protect the company's assets. Then comes investment decision making, which means knowing where to put the company's money for growth as well as sustainability. But that's not it. Leadership and communication skills are just as crucial. As a CFO, you will be leading finance teams, collaborating with top executives, and translating complex numbers into clear, actionable business strategies. Lastly, ethical standards and compliance play a crucial role. As a CFO, upholding the financial integrity and ensuring right regulatory compliance is totally non negotiable. And mastering the skills will set you on the right path to becoming a successful CFO. Now imagine acquiring all these vital skills directly from esteemed IIM faculties and earning the prestigious IIM alumni status. And that too without quitting your job or having to appear for CAT or any other exam. Yes, that's possible because IIM Ranchi, in collaboration with Intellipac, offers a specialized Chief Financial Officer course tailored for professionals like you. This program provides comprehensive training in financial leadership covering all the essential skills mentioned earlier. But why you should choose this program? Let's address that too. When you are aiming for a big role like a CFO, the institute you choose makes a huge difference. And that's where IIM Ranchi stands out. Which is established in 2009, it's one of the top IIMs recognized by the Government of India and has quickly earned its place among the top business schools in the country. In fact, it was ranked 7th amongst India's best government MBA colleges by Outlook in 2023. But it's not just about the rankings. IIM Ranchi is also connected globally. It's a member of EFMD and the first IIM to support the United Nations goals for responsible and ethical businesses. So when you complete this CFO program, you're not just getting the credibility, but also a respected certificate from a trusted name. And that name matters a lot in terms of career growth. Now, speaking about the course highlights, throughout this course, you will engage in practical case studies that simulate the real world financial scenarios, enhancing your ability to plan and execute the corporate finance strategies effectively. And with today's ever evolving AI world, being comfortable with technology is a super important thing. From financial software to AI powered tools and data analytics, technology plays a huge role in efficient financial management. And that's why this program goes beyond just traditional finances, as it has integrated generative AI for the finance as well. This enhances the forecasting accuracy, improves risk management, and drives automation to streamline the financial processes. Plus, you will get the hands on experience with Power BI, one of the most in-demand tools for turning raw data into powerful insights. These skills will help you make sharper decisions and present the compelling strategies to stakeholders in an impressive way. The best part of this program, it also includes a campus immersion at IIM Ranchi, where you get to build a strong professional network with finance peers, seasoned professionals, and top-notch faculties, many of whom are alumni of premier institutes and have worked with leading global MNCs. And today, your network is your net worth, and this program gives you both. Considering all of these factors, this is definitely the best program to go with to build your future with a strong focus on networking, industry exposure, and cutting edge technologies because big roles demand bold choices. And IIM Ranchi's specialized Chief Financial Officer course is a choice that fits just right into this play. So, if you're ready to make a choice and become a financial leader, this is your moment. Take the next step, enroll right now into the IIM Ranchi's CFO program and accelerate your career journey to the C-suite executive.